These are the topics from which questions are going to come in your NEET 2025. That is 100% guarantees, okay? And I am giving you the 100% assurity when it comes to these topics. I have done the analysis of past 10 years. And on the basis of that, I'm putting up these 85 concepts, or either you say topics. I'm not talking about the chapters. I'm saying concepts or the topics. So that's why this video is very important for all those serious NEET aspirants who have the aim to enter the medical college in the upcoming time. I would want you guys to share it with all of your friends and do smash the like button, okay? Because this video is very, very, very important. Okay, mark my words, tomorrow, when you go for the NEET exam, when you write the NEET exam, afterwards, watch this video and then check and then see if the questions are coming from these topics or not, okay? I am giving you the assurity, okay? So make sure no one out there, okay, whosoever is a serious NEET aspirants, do not leave any of the topics which I'll show you in this particular video. Now, guys, let's first start with the physics, okay? I'll be telling you in physics, chemistry, as well as in biology. Now, my dear friends, when it comes to the physics, everybody knows that modern physics is considered to be the highest weightage portion, okay? Be it JEE or be it NEET. Guys, when it comes to the modern physics, listen to me very carefully. You have got the you have got the photoelectric effect. That's what you need to understand, okay? That's what you need to learn over here. This is from the chapter Dual Nature of Matter and Radiations. In modern physics, we have 4 chapters. Dual Nature of Matter and Radiations. You have got atoms, nuclei, and semiconductors. Then you say de Broglie's wavelength, extremely easy. And when it comes to the modern physics, this is completely formula based, okay? You have to remember the formulas. Make sure you keep your eye on the previous year questions also, because that is very important. And make a separate formula sheet on in case of the modern physics, and everything will be sorted. That is for sure. And you can expect, I would say, 12 to 13 questions from modern physics. That is guaranteed, okay? Then you have spectral lines, okay, that Balmer series, Lyman series, you guys need to keep your eye on that. That is very important. And from the nuclei chapter, you have binding energy and mass defect. You have Q value of the reaction. And from the atoms chapter, you have the Bohr's model, okay? Keep your eye on these topics. And from the semiconductor portion, I would suggest you guys to highly focus on logic gates and PN junction diode, like forward biasing and reverse biasing. These are the topics which are extremely important. And you see, go check the previous papers of the NEET exam, okay? You check every single year questions have been asked from these topics. Every single year, every single year. Then, my dear friends, you have got the electrostatics, extremely high weightage chapter. Everybody knows about the electrostatics. What you are supposed to study in the electrostatics, we say electric field, okay? Electric field due to the ring, sphere, okay, graph. Okay, graph, electric field due to a hollow sphere, electric field due to a solid sphere. Their graphs very much important, okay? Then we say capacitors with dielectrics. Over there, you will have to understand that series combination of dielectrics, parallel combination of dielectrics. Flux portion, that Gauss law and flux, this is what you need to understand. We say dipole and potential energy. Make sure you study all of these. You do variety of problems on all these topics from the electrostatics portion. Then you have got the thermodynamics. In thermodynamics, we say extremely important is thermodynamic processes, okay? Keep your eye on thermodynamics processes, okay? Then, my dear friends, you have got the current electricity. When it comes to the current electricity chapter, 4 to 5 questions are expected from this chapter. 4 to 5 questions are expected from this chapter, okay? We say galvanometer, conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter, conversion of galvanometer into a meter. Extremely important. And keep your eye on the meter bridge also. Potentiometer is removed. Do not learn the potentiometer. Keep that thing in your mind. Kirchhoff's laws, or you can solve the Kirchhoff's laws questions with midpoint potential formula also. Okay, I have shown all of these concepts in my marathons. Go and check those out. Everything is discussed in detail with variety of problems. Then, my dear friends, you have got resistance and drift velocity. Keep your eye on these concepts also. So we say this is from the current electricity portion. Then, guys, you have got optics. When it comes to the optics, like wave optics, YDSE, Young's double slit experiment, there's nothing apart from this in wave optics. When it comes to the ray optics, you have optical instruments like microscope, telescope, and you have the prism also. In what? In ray optics, lens and combination of lens. Okay, this is what you need to learn in. And critical angle, keep your eye over here, like TIR, total internal reflection, and critical angle. So this is also important, I say. And when it comes to the electromagnetic waves, we say properties of electromagnetic waves. Keep your eye on this particular topic because there are high chances that the question will be asked from this one. Okay. And then when it comes to the alternating current, series LCR circuit. Okay, that's it. And my dear friends, keep your eye on the transformers also when it comes to the alternating current. When it comes to the rotational motion, you have torque, moment of inertia, conservation of angular momentum. Okay, leave the rolling. Then, my dear friends, you have electromagnetic induction. When it comes to the electromagnetic induction, you have Lenz's law and Faraday's law. These like variety of questions from the Lenz's law. I have shown, I would say 40 to 50 questions in my electromagnetic induction marathon on Lenz's law and Faraday's law. Okay, then we have units and dimensions, dimensional analysis, measuring instruments like you have screw gauge, okay, you have meter scale. So keep your eye on those measuring instruments. Okay, then you have errors. Okay, keep your eye on the errors also from the units and measurements. This chapter is very important. From the solids, Hooke's law, energy density. From the gravitation, we say orbital velocity, Kepler's laws. Okay, keep your eye on the potential energy also in this particular case. Okay. Yes. Now, my dear friends, when we move on to the second subject, that is chemistry. Guys, in case of chemistry, first we have the chapter that is chemical bonding. 4 to 5 questions are expected every year from this one. We say molecular orbital theory is extremely important from the chemical bonding chapter. Okay. And we say Westphal theory is important, very, very important. Valence bond theory is very, very important. Hybridization is very, very important. Every single year questions come from these particular topics. Keep that thing in your mind. Okay. Then, my dear friends, you have equilibrium, chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium. You have 2 sub-chapters in this one. What are the important topics? We say solubility products. Okay, then you have factors affecting equilibrium. Every single year question comes from this topic. We say concept of pH, acid and base concept. Keep this thing also in your mind. Very, very important. Then, my dear friends, we have hydrocarbons from the organic chemistry. We say aromatic hydrocarbons, alkynes 3 bond. You have alkene over here, substitution reaction, addition reaction, SNR1, SNR2. All are very important when it comes to the hydrocarbons over here. Then, my dear friends, D and F block. In this particular case, I would want you guys to go with the KMNO4, prepare KMNO4 very well. Okay, we have genetic trends and this series. Okay, then, my dear friends, you have coordination compounds. From the coordination compound chapter, you have got the valence bond theory, you have bonding and metal carbonyls, and you have, we say, Werner's theory and we say IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. Then, my dear friends, when it comes to the electrochemistry, from the electrochemistry, we have Faraday's law, you have Gibbs free energy, EMF of the cell, Nernst equation. So these are the topics from which questions are going to come, that is for sure. Okay. Then, my dear friends, when we move on to the next chapter, that is solutions. We say molarity, molality, mole concept over here. And from the organic chemistry portion, we say IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. Okay. We say aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, and mixed conversion of benzene. Okay. Okay. Keep this thing also in your mind. Then, my dear friends, when it comes to the biology, I would want you guys to focus over here. Since I was talking to Ambika ma'am also, I spoke to a lot of other educators also. Okay. So you have this cell biology portion. Okay. This is a mistake over here. I would say from the cell biology portion, we say 12 to 13 questions are expected. Highly important, this cell biology portion. If you ask me, sir, what are the important topics that I need to learn in the cell biology? I say read the complete biology. Okay. Then only there are high possibilities that you'll get the maximum marks. We say 360 out of 360 in case of the biology. Okay. You have the plant kingdom, extremely important. We say 2 to 3 questions. You have animal kingdom. Okay. Very much important, 4 to 5 questions in this one. Then you have the biotechnology process and principles. Okay. Then you have in this particular case, biotechnology applications, 3 questions. Cell cycle and cell divisions. I would highly recommend you to learn the complete chapter when it comes to the biology. Okay, sir, are you asking us to leave any of the topics from the physics portion? No, no. But these are the topics which you need to highly focus on, okay, when it comes to the chemistry and physics, okay? So you have to learn rest of the topics also, but these should be your high priority. And when it comes to the biology, you have to learn the complete chapter. That is what I suggest over here, okay? Okay, and similarly, biomolecules, plant growth and development, and you have over here molecular basis of inheritance, principles of inheritance, okay? Yeah, and in this one you have 8 to 10 questions expected. Human health and disease, you have got anatomy and morphology of flowering plants, you have got biomolecules, you have got sexual reproduction in, we say, humans, okay? And we say you have got evolution, you have got ecosystem, 3 to 4 questions, highly important topics, okay? We say organisms and population, we say 4 to 5 questions. So in case of biology, I would recommend you guys to go by line. You have to learn each and every single line from the NCERT, okay? That's what I recommend over here. So make sure you like this particular video and share it with all of your friends, because this is highly important if you are a serious NEET aspirant. Now, my dear friends, I would want you guys to announce one thing over here, that is RM 2025 is coming. That is the biggest event for the IIT JEE and NEET students, okay? And in this particular event, there will be big surprises. Mega reveals will be there in this particular event, okay? And it will be live on YouTube March 1st, okay? From 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. I would want you guys to join this particular event also, because there are a lot of reveals. There are a lot of surprises which we will be revealing in this particular event. So thank you so much, my dear friends. See you guys very soon, okay? In this particular event, take care and bye-bye. Make sure you share this video with all of your friends. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye. Thank you.